Well, amid surge in COVID cases in Delhi, several testing centers are denying collecting samples of patients, citing new ICMR guidelines. Many people in Delhi are facing problems because of the revised ICMR guidelines. Here's more.
Rahul wants to appear for a Coast Guard recruitment exam. He has to submit his COVID negative report before 19th January so that he is counted as eligible. But Delhi's testing centers are refusing to test.
Still मेरे को सबमिट करना होगा. I think maybe मेरे को रिपोर्ट चाहिए था whether I am positive or not. So I am looking for my report.
पेशेंट की डिमांड पर टेस्ट नहीं होगा. आप डॉक्टर से लिखवा के लेके आइए.
Okay. If I don't have any such kind of money, so I can. If I go any private institute, so they will charge me about 800. So why I can pay that much amount? So what if I am asymptomatic then?
asymptomatic patient का टेस्ट नहीं होगा.
Okay.
ICMR की वेबसाइट पे गाइडलाइंस है.
Okay.
आप चाहे तो वहाँ पढ़ सकते हैं.
Okay.
और न्यूज़ चैनल्स पे भी आ रहा है.
So I think तो मेरे को तो डिसअपॉइंट होकर जाना पड़ रहा है क्योंकि मेरे को 19th को तो मैं कैसे रिस्क ले सकता हूँ इसके लिए. तो मे बी शायद दे विल नॉट अलाउ मी टू एंटर इन दैट एग्जामिनेशन. सो दिस इज वेरी डिसअपॉइंटिंग फॉर मी.
This bank employee needs a test certificate to go back to office. He too is denied the test.
Actually, I'm working in banking sector. I was getting some इस तरह के कंडीशंस थे. मुझे लगा कि मैंने अपने आप को आइसोलेट कर लिया था. तो बैंक वालों ने भी बोला कि आपको विदाउट रिपोर्ट वी कांट गिव यू परमिशन टू एंटर इनटू द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ये हमारे एक फैमिली डॉक्टर है, ठीक है, वो इज़ वर्किंग विद ये आम आदमी मोहल्ला क्लिनिक. इनके अंदर में 3-4 मतलब हैं मोहल्ला क्लिनिक्स. तो ही ऑल्सो प्रिस्क्राइब्ड. अब इस चीज़ को इन प्रिस्क्रिप्शन ले या ना ले ये देख लीजिए, इन्होंने प्रिस्क्राइब करा था.
An elderly man came to test having ended his 7-day home isolation. He too is kept waiting.
Actually, 7 days ago I came here and I got test positive. Now, since the 7 days period has completed and I have to go to the work and I have to sit with my family also, till that time I was a home quarantine. Now I'm asking ki do my test and let me know whether I became negative or not. They said ki no, we will not do that.
Testing centers don't have enough testing kits, and that is the problem. This gentleman had to go to several places before he came here, and even here at J Block Saket they have said that testing will not happen because there are only 70 kits. Testing is being curtailed, but people are being inconvenienced, and that is the major issue in a city like Delhi where cases are surging and the peak has still not come in the third wave.
We asked the employees at the Saket testing center why they are refusing to test.
मैम हम यही कह रहे हैं कि जो सिम्टम्स वाले पेशेंट हैं उन्हीं का कर रहे हैं. आयुष्मान की गाइडलाइंस है ये, और 60+ अबव का उनका टेस्ट हो रहा है. हाँ, 60 से कम है उनका नहीं होगा.
हाईली सिम्टोमेटिक
का होगा.
सिम्टोमेटिक है जो वो होगा.
अच्छा,
और उनके लिए वो डॉक्टर से प्रिस्क्राइब करके लिखवा सकते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि टेस्ट नहीं होगा. वो मैम ऑफिस वालों का है और डोमेस्टिक एयरलाइंस के लिए नहीं है.
Even those who have to travel abroad are being told not to test. Some succeed after much coaxing.
They are just telling me that I don't need a test.
Okay.
They're only testing symptomatic.
Okay.
I'm traveling in a couple of days and I was faint positive last week, so I did a couple of rapid tests. It came negative, but I want to be sure with the RT-PCR.
Okay. Many centers are running short of testing kits. This man and his wife have visited many testing centers of Delhi, but will go back today without any success. They are told only 70 kits are being given to this center per day.
You want to be sure. I have throat infection. I don't want to risk it. So So me and my wife both, we wanted to get it tested rather than staying in ambiguity. So we can stay at home, take medicine. That's the other way around. But then might as well get it tested is also important.
टेस्टिंग किट मतलब वही 100-150 के आसपास ही आती है हमारे पास. अब 70 के अराउंड आती हैं. अब हमें मॉर्निंग आने के लिए बोलते हैं क्योंकि नेक्स्ट डे आइए, मॉर्निंग में आइए. अब जो हमें सामान मिलता है हम तो वही करेंगे ना, हम एक्स्ट्रा कहाँ से कर पाएंगे.
The new ICMR guidelines have created a lot of confusion. District authorities say they are only following the rule book.
लेटेस्ट ICMR गाइडलाइंस के अनुसार सिर्फ सिम्टोमेटिक जो लोग हैं जिनको फीवर, कफ या ऐसे कोई कोविड के सिम्टम्स हैं वो टेस्ट किए जाएंगे। जो इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवलर्स हैं, चाहे वो आ रहे हैं या जा रहे हैं, उनको टेस्ट किया जाएगा। या फिर जो हाई रिस्क कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं कंफर्म्ड पॉजिटिव केसेस के, वो टेस्ट किए जाएंगे। तो अब दिल्ली में हम पर्टिकुलरली इन्हीं कैटेगरीज को टेस्ट करेंगे।
Most people coming to various centers in Delhi are not being allowed to test now for such reasons, citing the ICMR guidelines that say you don't need to test after 7 days. But the problem is that whether it's work establishments or whether it is certain establishments that are asking for a COVID negative report will not take people back to work also if you don't have this report. And this is why people in Delhi are being inconvenienced at the moment. With Pawan Kumar in New Delhi, Milan Sharma for India Today.